Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today we have a different car working on. It's not mine actually. This is Frank's car.
What's up guys? Franco, this is my 1998 Acura Integra, and burning oil pretty badly, so we're trying to figure out, exactly what the issue is. So we'll do leak down tests beforehand, start canceling out possible potential, issues. If that all checks out, we'll start tearing into it and see how it goes.
So we're gonna jump into it and enjoy the time lapse. Let's get it. Now we're doing a compression test. Alright, go for it. Not bad. About 135.
Okay.
So hold on 1 second. Ready?
Yep. Wow.
Where you at?
It's like 130-ish? Because that's...
It goes in increments of 5.
It's fives? Yeah, you're right.
135.
Okay.
Exactly on.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. About the same?
Alright.
Yeah. It's like a little less, right?
Yeah, 130. So
But we'll see.
okay.
Oh yeah, see, that got all the way to like almost 150.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, so then we'll call those good then, because those are all within. Actually, go ahead and let that pressure out.
Okay.
We'll do it to the 5 that we were doing the other ones.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, like 130-ish, yeah.
Okay. So then yeah, those are all good then. That's a fantastic time.
Okay.
So then the next thing.
What would that be exactly? 135?
That's actually 140.
140?
But it's because I started to go to the next cycle, the compression cycle. So we'll do. Alright, a little bit of an update. So we did the leak down test. And it's sort of how we're supposed to do. We figured it out. We only had about 33% leakage on average across all 4. And we just stuck the bore scope. Where'd it go? Somewhere. We stuck the bore scope down there. I'll put the pictures in here. You can see oil on the back of the valves in cylinder 1, and then all the cylinders are just gunked with oil on the top of the piston. So we're gonna go ahead with taking the valve cover off and seeing what it looks like. So enjoy the time lapse once again. Let's get to it. Alright, well, we haven't picked the camera up in a while. We had a short intermission. Somehow we were trying to use the Honda method, getting the harmonic balancer off. Didn't work. We took a chunk out of the concrete, trying it that way. And then Dad came over and gave us some insight on doing it a smarter way. So we put a crowbar in the flywheel inside there and crank it with this big thing. We got it break off somehow. So now Frank is taking off the bottom cam covers. And then we're gonna take the belt off. And then we can finally start the process of
Get the second one?
taking the cams out and all that
Keep rotating a little bit.
So
No, oh, there you go. There's just a lot of gunk on it.
Fucking left handy. It's not working. There we go. You're recording.
Alright, well, we ran into some difficulties with getting the cam caps off. Ended up having to take the wood end of the hammer. Oh my god, you can really see it in the hammer. Wow, this is why you always have a wooden hammer. But we ended up gently tapping it from side to side, and we're able to get this one out. But sadly so. It's got a little bit of grooves in it. Not too bad. So we're just gonna run it. I mean, it's not gonna hurt nothing. So we're gonna continue on and enjoy the time lapse of us hopefully not fucking shit up. Right?
See how it goes.
Right? Alright, let's get it. Alright, so here we are on the next day. I was not recording the last night. Frank and I were trying to replace the valve stem seals, and the cylinder we were working on lost pressure, and we had dropped a valve. So here I am taking the head off to try to get to that dropped valve. Alright, well, here was the problem. The valve had dropped out, or dropped into the cylinder, but also looking at it, it's pretty coated in crap. Let's see, focus back up, buddy. Come on. So that might explain why we were getting burnings, because it's just filled with crap. So I'm gonna send a picture of this to Frank, and then we're gonna get going on tearing the head apart and cleaning it, I guess. Alright, back working on 20B. This is day 3 or 4. Frank's back over here, and we're disassembling the head. So enjoy the time lapse. Let's get to it. Definitely want to be able to see this.
Whoa, as soon as this zips right by it.
Yeah. Alright, so look at that nastiness. Not my little thumb. How much buildup is on there. This is what all the exhaust valves look like. This is probably why it wasn't seating. So we're gonna remedy this and clean it all up. So we're gonna pull the last 2 out there.
drip, drop, drip, drop.